Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's recipe, I will be sharing with you guys how I make this delicious banga and okra soup. This soup is so good, it's so yummy, it's so delicious, guys. Keep watching and let's cook. Let me show you guys how I make this. You will like it. Okay, guys, inside the pot I have stock fish, dry fish, and some shrimps that I have been cooking for about 5 minutes with salt and maggi. Okay, then the next step is for me to add in my blended peppers. Okay, in that blended pepper I have dry peppers, crayfish, ginger, and tomatoes. Now I'm adding in my banga spice. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of banga spice. Then I will stir it together. Make sure I stir it well. After stirring it together, then I'm going to cover it up, allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Cover it up, allow it to cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, as you can see, the next step is for me to add in my banga sauce. Okay, I'm stirring it together. Then I'm going to add in my banga sauce. Okay, I've already diluted my banga sauce with hot water, then allow it to settle down. Now I'm just going to pour it inside my pot. Then I'm going to add in my fish. Okay, I'm using tilapia fish for this recipe. Okay, you can use any other fish of your choice. It all depends on you. Wherever you have, whatever fresh fish you have at home, you can use it. Okay, but for today I'm using my tilapia. Okay, I've already washed the tilapia off camera. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, as you can see, the aroma in the kitchen is already smelling so yummy and so delicious. Oh, the banga spice. Oh man, if you cook banga soup, you have to add banga spice. Okay, that banga spice will make the soup to be so delicious. Okay, now I'm just going to add in my meat. Okay, this is my assorted meat. I've already cooked that off camera. The meat is well cooked. I'm just going to add it to it. And after adding the meat, I'll go ahead also and add in my okra. Right now, I'm adding in my okra. My okra is fresh okra, but I just froze it. I'm going to add it to it, just spreading it a little bit. Then I'm just going to add in my seasoning, which is a 2 teaspoons of no seasoning and about 1 teaspoon of salt also. Just stir it a little bit. Then I will cover it up. I like to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. At this point, I just say thank you so much everyone for watching my video, for always coming back to watch my video. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I'm just going to cover it. I like to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's about 10 to 15 minutes later. Look at that soup. Are you guys hungry? Yes. yes, I am hungry. I am hungry. I dey hungry. Now I'm just taking out the excess oil, okay? The oil on top is too much. I'm just going to take some off. As you can see, the soup is ready. The soup is ready. It smells so delicious. It smells so amazing. I'm just getting rid of the oil that is floating on top of the soup. You can save that oil to make starch, okay? If you want to make your starch, you can add a little bit of that oil to it and use it to make your starch. Look at our soup, guys. Did you like it? Did you like it? You like what you see? If you like what you see, please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. Have you tried adding okra to your banga soup? If you have, leave it in the comment section. I need to hear from you. If you haven't, I need to hear it also in the comment section, okay? Now, I'm just going to eat this with my egwo bobo. Guys, egwo bobo, that is starch mixed with ripe plantain. Oh my goodness. Have you ever tried egwo bobo before? If you haven't, try it out. I have a video on how I make this starch with ripe plantain. I'm going to leave it in the description box, okay? Go and check it out. Go and check it out. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Let me enjoy my food. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate every one of you. I love you guys. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye. I love you guys. One love. Keep us together. Bye.